I have here an electric baby nail trimmer. I'm going to take it out, show you how it works, and I'm going to try it out with my son. So inside here, we've got a charging cord and then the nail trimmer. So it also does come with some instructions to help you guide through it and show you how easy it is to use it. When the battery is dead, just plug it in right here and charge it. On the device itself, it has a little reminder and tips on how to use it. If you ever forget, it's right on here and it will be with you at all times. To open it up, just push this button and this comes off, and this is where the different heads will be stored, so you have a place for everything and it will all stay together in one place. To use it, just push the power button, it turns on, click again, it'll speed up a little more. If you hold it for 3 seconds, it will rotate the way it spins, and then click again, it will turn off. To change the head, all you have to do is pull it off. Then you can take a different one. Say I want to take this one out. I can put this one back in, close it up, put a new one on, and then it's super easy to use the new heads just like that. There are 2 different types. You can see there's this little teeny tip for little small points areas you might need to get to, and the flat ones. So there's 2 different heads. All the heads are a little different. They're gonna all be a little different course on it depending on what you need to do. So you'll just kind of have to feel it to see what you need. And then you can change it according to what your baby needs done with their nails. So these are even different. This one's more rounded and this one's more flat depending on what you are going to file. When you are using it on your baby, I'm going to just show you if you push really hard, it's going to automatically stop to prevent any damage to your child. So you just go softly and it will trim the nail and file it. And I will show you here in a second how to use it on a younger child / baby. So this is nice and portable. You can put it in any type of bag. I have a purse here. It'd be fit perfectly inside like a diaper bag to take it wherever you need. On the back here, there are different heads and coarsenesses, and this will tell you exactly what they are. It goes through the fine all the way up to the more coarse ones. So that's nice and handy if you don't know what the different ones are. So I found the file that's appropriate for my son's age, so it will work better. So now I'm going to try it out on his nails. So it's nice and quiet. And it's safe for the kids. Like if I push really hard, it's gonna stop and it's not gonna hurt the child. So this baby nail trimmer worked really well, super easy to use. It's great for all ages, even adults. So it's gonna work great if you want to use this instead of nail clippers or even like a file. It worked really, really well.
We turn it now?